Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Learn Easy with us. We share simple and fun educational videos every single day to help you learn better and faster. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. So without any further delay, let's jump right into today's video.
ChatGPT's layout and interface. So let's dive right in. So depending on if you are a ChatGPT Plus user or not, you'll have a slightly different looking interface here. I am a ChatGPT Plus user, which opens up a plethora of different options. But let's say you just have the normal version of ChatGPT. Let's go through what your layout is going to look like. So starting with the left here, if you want to create a new chat, you hit this little icon and it'll pull up a blank chat that looks like this here. Once you have created a chat and had a conversation, it will get stored on the left here, and you can go through and look at your previous chats. Let's say you wanted to remember an old conversation you had with ChatGPT, the benefits of hydrogen water. You can go ahead and click this old chat to revisit it. OpenAI has their icons to know if this answer was helpful or not. You can of course dismiss this. These same icons are here, and there's a regenerate button, which if you click this will just regenerate the response that ChatGPT gave you, and then you can say if it is better, worse, or same. Answering these questions here are not necessary. It's just for the benefit of OpenAI to know how they're doing. If you scroll up to the top and hit the new chat icon, you will see this default page here. Now there are some starting prompts you can click on, and if you click this, it'll jump ChatGPT into an interaction, or you can type your own prompt in the bar here. You can say, please explain how a DSLR camera works at the level of a 5th grader. You hit enter, and here we go. ChatGPT has started to answer your question. Now, you can go ahead and click this little pen tool if you want to change your question here, your query. So let's say instead of the level of the 5th grader, you can say at the level of a university student. Save and submit, and ChatGPT will go ahead and re-output the new answer for the question as you have just changed it. You can click this button here if you want to share the chat with someone. Now, one thing to note about sharing chats with ChatGPT is that you're not sharing a living document like you are when you share, let's say, a Google Doc. When you share a Google Doc, both of you will see the edits that were made to either copy. When you share a chat in ChatGPT, you are sharing the moment in time where the chat is, and then if you were to continue that chat with ChatGPT after the point which you shared, or the person that you shared the chat with were to start expanding on the chat, it would not copy to both of your chats. So that's just something to keep in mind, is that you are just sharing a moment in time here. There are different options where you can share your name so that your name will appear with the chat, or you can share it anonymously. You could also rename the chat if you want to, and then when you're ready to share, you hit copy link, and you simply paste the link into whatever format you want to share the chat into. Let's say a text, an email, or some other kind of thread. You scroll down to the bottom here and you can see some different setting options. So we have my plan, which you'll see if you are a Plus user or a Team user or just a regular user. You can see my GPTs, which is something that is available only for Plus users, which we will dive into in further detail in another lesson. We have custom instructions, which allow you to give a more personalized, more custom version of ChatGPT's responses, where ChatGPT can remember some things about you, what you do, and what you use ChatGPT for, and remember different formats which you might like it to respond in. We have an entire lesson dedicated to custom instructions where we dive deep into this if you have more questions, and we go down here to settings and beta. Here in the general, we can change the theme from system, light or dark. We can manage our archived chats. These are chats on the left here that we may have archived. We can delete all of our chats. You can go to beta features, and since ChatGPT is constantly evolving, we see new features here in the beta features all the time, and it's a nice habit to check what's available in the beta features, and if something new is available, simply click it on, and then you can start experimenting with it. We have data controls here where you can delete your account, disable two-factor authentication, export some data, and you can manage shared links. This is really interesting. Any chats that you have shared, you can go ahead and delete the shared link, you can view the source chat, and you can click on the chat and see how it would look to someone that you shared it with. Lastly, we have this builder profile here, which is related to your custom GPTs. So you can choose the name that you want to appear as your creator name and select a website or domain that you want associated with them. And if you would like to receive feedback on your custom GPTs, you can click this on here. So there you have the layout for the basic version of ChatGPT. In the future lessons, we will be covering some of the additional features available in ChatGPT+.
You made it this far. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something new in this video. If there's a topic we missed, or if you have any suggestions, feel free to drop a comment below. Want to talk to us about a specific topic or request a custom video? You can reach out to us on X, formerly Twitter, or Instagram. We also post short videos there, so make sure to follow us. Check out these other videos that might interest you. Until next time, thank you for your support, and keep learning with us.